Chlorine dioxide is considered by many to be the ideal biocide due to its unique set of chemical properties. However, conventional means of generating chlorine dioxide are often complex and inefficient, which can make the use of chlorine dioxide complicated. Activox, on the other hand, is a patented system which is simpler, safer, and more cost-effective than other means of generating chlorine dioxide. The Activox concept is made up of two unique components: an advanced, instantly activating chemistry and a simplified dosing system, which can treat from a few liters of water a day to applications of over 11,000 cubic meters a day. Let's consider the chemicals first. This demonstration shows how Activox's unique chemistry reacts instantly, releasing an almost full yield of 95% chemical conversion to chlorine dioxide. Another important thing to note is that the chlorine dioxide is produced directly in solution ready to use. The instant reaction is integral to the simplification of the dosing system we will discuss later. Let's look at conventional chlorine dioxide precursors, sodium chlorite and hydrochloric acid. Here you can see the reaction is not instant. In fact, it will take an hour or more to reach its full yield, with a much lower conversion rate than Activox. A lower conversion also means higher byproducts. This slow reaction is what complicates the generator systems required to treat with conventional chlorine dioxide chemistry. For this reason, Activox is the more cost-effective solution in the long run, as the super high yield means you get what you pay for. Another important difference between Activox and competitor products is that it doesn't require strong acids. This diagram shows that competitor products A, B, and C all require highly acidic conditions to release their chlorine dioxide, which means that they need dangerous strong acids. Activox, by contrast, starts to release chlorine dioxide the moment the pH is pushed below neutral and can be activated fully using a mild acid or even your favorite lemonade. The Activox system comes in two different models, designed to cater to a wide array of customer applications. The Activox 3200 dosing system is designed for small to medium applications, treating from a few liters up to 2,500 cubic meters per day. For larger applications, the Activox 4200 has been engineered to treat applications up to or exceeding 11,000 cubic meters of water per day. Let's see one in action. The Activox system has been designed to provide unparalleled safety, control, efficiency, and flexibility. Chemicals are drawn directly from the supply container to avoid the need to handle the chemicals directly. The two chemicals are supplied in different colored drums, matching the ridged suction assemblies to prevent chemical mix-up. For additional safety, chemical drums and tanks are held in outer containment bunds. The system is safe by design, with complete chemical separation, integral leak detection, and chemical flow monitoring to prevent dosing imbalance. The chemical injection tubing is double-walled for additional security. The only place the two chemicals mix is in the specially designed reactor T, which is installed directly in the water stream being treated. The chlorine dioxide is produced instantly within a reaction chamber and then injected into the water stream, where it is quickly diluted to the required chlorine dioxide level. The robust touchscreen controller grants the user full control, as well as serving as a hub of essential information, accessing key system data, graphical representations of critical operating parameters, and real-time customized alarm statuses with ease. The system is flexible and adaptable, suitable for installation on water systems operating at various pressures, even those with fluctuating pressures, whilst maintaining consistent and accurate dosing thanks to the built-in combination valves. The chemical dosage is typically controlled by a water meter in the water stream, which provides a pulse system to the control panel. The controller is programmed to deliver the required chlorine dioxide level, and the dosage automatically adjusts depending on the water flow. The chlorine dioxide level can be measured at the point of use using a simple test kit, and the dosage rate adjusted accordingly. Additionally, the installation of probe control allows for constant monitoring and automatic adjustment of chemical dosage. There's also the option for remote telemetry. So how about the result? Here we see real data from an Activox installation at a prestigious British university. The chart shows a 3-year testing period for Legionella, with over 1,500 samples taken before and during dosing, which highlights the immediate and sustained control achieved by using Activox. Longevity has also shown to be a benefit of using the ActivOx system. This was shown during the 2020-2021 COVID lockdown in the UK, when data returned from a UCAS-accredited Legionella testing lab compared hotels conducting only outlet flushing against hotels with an ActivOx chlorine dioxide system installed. Low occupancy levels during lockdown meant greatly reduced water usage and stagnation. However, systems treated with ActivOx saw that the residual action of the chlorine dioxide present in the systems persisted for much longer periods. As such, in the dosed premises, levels of Legionella were consistently and significantly lower than the premises not treated with ActivOx. But Legionella isn't the only application ActivOx is suited to. Installed in hundreds of locations across the UK and around the world, ActivOx can be found in food and drink processing sites, CIP systems, chemical manufacturing plants, poultry farms, and many more due to its simplicity and versatility. For this reason, ActivOx is the simple, safe, and cost-effective way to produce chlorine dioxide instantly.